Hi there, my name's Edgar. Sending the right message is vital for attracting new and existing clients to your salon, which is why we have several marketing message templates and options in SalonLite by Premier Software. Today I'll be showing you all these details, so let's cut to it. First, log into SalonLite. Once in, click Administration on the left menu and then Marketing at the bottom. You'll be taken to the Marketing Messages screen. Here you can select pre-populated messages to send out to clients if you wish. To do this, click the Campaign Name drop-down menu and select from a variety of options. For example, birthday is great for sending to clients who have an upcoming birthday, giving them perhaps 10% off for a birthday appointment. You can then input your business name and contact details in the message. Other important messages include last-minute availability, which is great should you wish to fill in white space in your diary with a sense of urgency. Meanwhile, options such as Missing You aims to bring in clients who may not have visited for some time. There is also a range of Christmas messages to make use of, ready to light up clients' faces. For example, Christmas booking will highlight that you're now taking bookings for the festive season, whereas opening hours are useful for showing your holiday opening hours. Whatever your marketing message, you can amend anything before you send it out via SMS. You can select from plenty of marketing filters too. For example, you can select whether you would like to include clients between a specific age. Simply tick the box next to the filter and input the minimum and maximum age of the clients you wish to target. You can select from all manner of filters within your system, such as whether they are male, female or both, exclude clients who have an appointment within a specified number of days, include clients with a birthday within a specified number of days, or whether to include or exclude clients with an appointment within the past specified number of days. Finally, you can click whether to include clients who may not have opted into marketing. Click Generate once you're happy with your selection. The applicable clients will then appear on the right of the screen. You can then click the bin icon next to their name should you wish to exclude them from this particular selection. Click the Send button to confirm you would like to send your message to their displayed phone number. You will now have sent your marketing messages. I hope that's helped. Why not subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our other how-tos, tips and tricks. You can also catch up with exclusive SalonLite updates on Facebook and Twitter at SalonLite. Thanks for watching and take care.